What's going on, YouTube? It's Jay, owner of Evolution Brand Clothing. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Evo TV. Hope everybody's having a great day. First off, I just want to ask you at the end of the video if you could drop a like and subscribe. It would definitely be appreciated. But we're jumping right into the video. Here today, we're pretty much going to be starting our first, I guess you can say, episode of our For the Soul segment. And it's pretty much going to be a quick little video. Let you know or see and show in detail one of the new shoes that just came out recently and do a quick unboxing, as well as drop you with a little bit of encouragement for your week. So that's pretty much how these episodes are gonna go. So let's see what's in the box. Like I said, we're jumping straight into this. No need to wait. Got the knife right here. As you can see, got the Just Do It tape, so you already know this is straight from Nike. But it seems like every day I'm getting in new packages, so why not make it into a episode? If I can get this tape off. Boom. All right. So here we go. Here goes the box right here. The red Nike box with the white Nike all over it. We're gonna get a close-up so those of you that want to check it out can maybe guess what this is. But it says Nike Dunk Low SP Biotech. That should let you know right off the jump right there. And I'm sorry about the lighting. We'll definitely get that fixed in the next video. It's late. This room is not the best lit. But we're testing out some new things. Got a new mic hooked up, so hopefully that helps on the on just me sounding clear to you guys. And we're getting some lighting coming in tomorrow. But I still wanted to do this here today so we can get it out the way. As I said, I'm trying to be consistent, as I said in the very first video. So I really appreciate everybody for tuning in to this episode. But here we go, getting right into the shoes. Boom. We got the Nike Dunk Biotech. One of my favorite, like, I love colors. So this is one of my favorite colorways to ever be introduced to a sneaker. I'll say that off the bat. You got purple, like a light purple bottom. The upper is completely covered in different varieties. No matter what your taste might be, the color palette is crazy on this. But we got the blue on the toe, or the blue on the upper portion of the toe, the red going around the actual toe area. Got a gray tongue with gray laces. Got purple coming around the rear side, as you see. With the, all of this is suede, by the way. This material here is more of kind of a nylon, the green. We also have gray accent on the rear, the yellow swoosh, orange little center panel, and the white midsole. But this is a beautiful sneaker. Not really too much to it. A dunk is a dunk. Dunks, Air Jordan 1, I'm sure you've seen them. If you've seen one, then you've seen the other. They're all based on the same thing. Dunks, Jordan 1s, and Air Forces. So that's just a quick look. I'm going to show you a quick on foot, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we're back in the office here. That was a quick on-feet look of the Nike Biotech Dunk. So with that being said, here's another quick up-close look. As you can see, I also have the Biotech 90s that just came out a few months ago as well.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Y'all thought I forgot to add in a little piece of inspiration to this video. With that being said, whatever you want to do in life, whatever you want to be in life, whatever your deepest desire is in life, only takes one thing to get there. And that's to commit to whatever that thing may be. That's it. Alright, back to the video. Very beautiful colorway no matter what silhouette you put it on. But these two shoes here, like, I just love them. Thank you, Nike, for bringing back these dunks. I highly appreciate it. But with that being said, that concludes our first episode, I guess you can say, of For the Soul, and signing off for another episode of Evo TV. Do me a favor, follow us on Twitter and Instagram at the handle down below, at EV0_brand on Twitter and IG. It would be much appreciated. And you have a good rest of your evening, night, day, whatever time you're watching this. Have a good one.